Hey everyone, okay, I wanted to take you along with me as I am trying one of Crunchi's brand new products that just launched. This is the I Am Renewed Purifying Mask. So it is a charcoal face mask, and it is a little bit different than the Beauty Counter one, if you ever used that, and it's a little bit different than like a traditional clay mask. So this one comes in an aluminum package, which is really cool. So great sustainability. You actually shake it so you can hear it. It's liquidy, more liquidy than, like I said, a clay mask. So I hear that I'm going to put this on and I'm going to let it sit on my face for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will wash it off. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna squeeze just a little bit out, and it is a definite, like, more of a wet consistency. Okay, I can smell lavender right away, a little bit of lavender. Maybe a little bit of tea tree oil as well. This does not have peppermint in it. So the Beauty Counter one had peppermint, which I know was, you know, not great for everyone. And I'm just gonna focus on putting it on my T-zone. I probably didn't need to put it all over, but I'm just gonna put it right here, mainly on my nose, and then probably just the cheeks. If you get hormonal acne or breakouts, you could do it along the jawline as well. Kaolin clay is really good for helping to detoxify the skin, so is charcoal. Okay, so it feels really nice on. I wanted to read you just a couple of the ingredients so that you could understand that it has such great skincare benefits. So it has kaolin clay, charcoal powder, which I said are great for detoxifying and purifying the skin. It also has Moroccan lava clay, which is really good at absorbing extra oil. So if you're somebody that has oily skin or just a lot of excess oil, that lava clay is gonna help to kind of even that out. And it has caffeine, actually certified organic caffeine. It also has willow bark extract, which helps to kind of soothe the skin. So I like that because you've got the kaolin clay, but you also have something that's gonna help to soothe the skin as well. There's some tea tree oil, lemon oil, and then, like I said, it has the lavender. So I like it so far. It's very gentle. It's not really drying into like a hard mask. Okay, so it's dry. Mine is dry to the touch. I mean, I put like a very small amount. I guess there's a little bit. But it, you know, you can still move your face. So it's not like a super hard mask. I've heard that it does wash off really easily, which was something that the some other charcoal masks don't really wash off that easily. I don't even have a washcloth, but I am gonna wash this off with our Crunchi charcoal bar, which I really like. Let's see it. Okay. Probably should have chosen to use a washcloth, but here we are. Okay, so I just washed it off my face. I used the Crunchi charcoal bar. I keep the paper on the side of my counter so I can just put the bar back on the paper. But overall, I would give it a great rating. I'm not somebody that uses charcoal masks often. I do love like a glycolic mask for my face, but I do have a breakout right here right now, and it's probably good for me to do some sort of like a more purifying mask every once in a while. So yes, I would rate this well, the I Am Renewed Purifying Mask. Let me know if you have questions.